Worried you're not saving enough for retirement? Fidelity's free online planning tools can give you a clear, personalized picture of your future. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Log in and find the Planning and Guidance Center. Launch the Retirement Score or Planning tool. You'll input your data: current age, retirement age, income, current savings, and monthly contributions. The tool uses market assumptions to project your savings growth and show if you're on track. It lets you adjust variables like retire later or save more to see their impact instantly. My crucial pro tip: include all your accounts and Social Security. For the most accurate score, link or manually enter all your retirement assets, not just your Fidelity accounts. Also, use the built-in Social Security estimates based on your actual earnings record. The more complete the data, the more reliable the plan. Knowledge is power. Get a data-driven view of your retirement readiness. What was your retirement score when you first checked? Did it surprise you? For more guides on future-proofing your finances, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.